It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app. Quite a lot of number finding it difficult to navigate on the app as a result of language barrier because everything on 168 Chinese shopping app was written in Chinese language. But in this video, what if I told you that I'm going to show you on how you can simply change this particular language or how you can use 168 Chinese shopping app in English language. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to put you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply use your 1688 Chinese shopping app in English language. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you have Alipay app, successful download and install on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or your iPhone, you can get this particular Alipay app, successful download and install. And for everyone that have 1688 shopping app, successful install on their phone, I want to believe that you must have this particular Alipay. So we are going to use Alipay for easy translation into English language. So let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay. After you open up your Alipay, it's going to open up like this. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you enable auto translation tool in your Alipay. And for you to do that, simply click on your profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on setting icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on general. The next thing you need to do is to click on translation tool. Then under the translation tool, make sure this particular button here is turned on. And one great thing here is that you can choose any other language right here. If you don't want to use your 1688 app in English language, you can choose another language. This is Espanol, Arabic, Portuguese, another language right there, Russia, Francica. You can scroll down and choose any other language right here. So any language you choose from here is what you are going to have as your default translation language. But in this tutorial, I'm going to translate into English. So that is why you see English is checked right here. After you have enabled your translation tool in Alipay, you are going to see this particular icon display on your full screen. Next thing we want to do is to go back to the Alipay homepage. Go back to the Alipay homepage. Then from the homepage right here, we want to come to the top right here now. And what you need to do is to simply type in 1688. So I'm going to type in 1688 right there and hit on search. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on the first result right here. So click on that. Then it's going to load up and take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your translate icon right here. So click on that, and in a few seconds, everything right here will be fully translated into English language. The reason why everything was translated into English language right here is because that I choose English as my default language. And one very great thing about this is that it does not affect you whether you scroll up or you scroll down, you still maintain your English language right here. The more you scroll down, the more different product here is going to load up. And one great thing right there is that you can purchase directly from this particular section in Alipay. You can simply click on this icon right here. This will allow you to take you to your profile on 1688 Chinese shopping app in your Alipay app. Then you see everything you have right here in your. Then right here you can see your profile page right here, and then you can see the product on transit. I've already made a purchase from this particular section right here. You can see the product on transit right here. You can see the product to be shipped, and you can see pending payment for order, everything right here. And if you scroll down right here, everything is going to still be fully translated into English language. So if I click on my order on transit right here, you see all the orders that is on transit. So I'm going to click on that, and but the more you scroll down, the more you see all orders you have in transit. It's that simple. See, these are all orders I have in transit right there. Let's go back to the home page. Everything here still maintain English language. The main page right here, we still have it in English language. Whether you scroll up or you scroll down, you are going to still maintain everything. The more you scroll, the more different product here is going to load, and everything will be automatically translated into English language, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply use your 68H shopping app in English language. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.